Okay, for math today, we are going to learn how to multiply numbers that end in zeros. So it's very basic. Once you get it, it's so easy, but it's a pretty fun thing to learn. So first, if I write on the board, you write on your board.
Okay.
Let's just start with the very basic math fact. 2 times 3.
Easy.
I hope it's easy for everyone. Josiah, what's our answer?
9. Oh wait, no, 6.
You're trying to trick me. All right, so that's obviously correct. Now let's think about this. Hayden, whiteboard, let's go. If I, instead of a 2, said 20 times 3, here's the trick, guys. Cover up the 0. Okay, now what is 2 times 3? Cadence? 6. So I write that down.
60.
How many zeros were in the problem? Quentin?
1.
1?
2, 0, 60.
So I add a 1 0.
What? How is that a little easy?
Hold on. All right, let's try another one. This time, let's make it 200 times 3.
Easy.
Just write that down first. 200 times 3. I'm going to cover up all of my zeros at the end of the number. What is 2 times 3? Hayden?
6.
6. We're getting good at that one. Now, how many zeros do we have total, Noah?
2, so you're not 2.
So I add 2. Let's try another one.
No,
If I have, please stop talking out. If I have 2,000 times 3, I cover up all my zeros. We know 2 times 3 is 6. This time, how many zeros do I add to the end of my answer? Madeline?
3.
3. 1, 2, 3. Let's try an even bigger one. Let's try 20,000 times 3. We know 2 times 3, right, is going to be a 6. Now, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. Angie, how many do I need to add to the end?
4.
4.
Look, now you have to add 100.
So far, so good?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to erase this, and now we're going to add another layer to it.
Please. What? Thank you.
Shh, voice is off.
Do a zillion.
Okay, this time, instead of 2 times 3, we're going to start like this. Write that down. 20 times 30. Everyone should be writing with me as I go, or you're missing out on some fun. What do you guys think we need to do first? Angie?
Cover up the zeros and then do 2 times 3. And then
Which, the 0 on both numbers? Is that what you're thinking?
Yeah.
Okay. She says cover up both the zeros, which you're right. 2 times 3, we are very good at that. That is 6. Now, what do you think I do? Hayden?
add 1 more 0 and make it 60.
But how many zeros did I cover up?
2, so it will be 100.
Yeah, if I cover 2 zeros, even if they're in different numbers, I have to add 2 zeros to the end.
Wow.
Then you just did 20 times 30. Let's try another one. If I have 200 times 30.
This is so easy.
I have 200 times 30. I'm going to cover up all my zeros. 2 times 3 we know is 6. Someone tell me, how many zeros must I add on? That one?
3.
3. 1, 2, 3. All right, you ready to try a big one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this one.
Whoa.
All right, big number. First, covering up all my zeros, we know we start with the 6. Now count those zeros carefully. Don't make a silly mistake. How many zeros do we need to add to the end of our answer? Zoe?
4.
Well, we have 4 here, and how many here? So there's 4 zeros here, 2 more here, so we have 6 zeros we have to add on.
What? That's like 1,006?
Just write it down. Voice is off.
What? What the heck? Million.
6 million.
What the? That's a lot of zeros.
That is a lot of zeros.
Now what's 6 million times
Okay.
1,000?
Now let's erase our boards and try some different numbers. Voice is off and let's call you,
Erase
please.
that board and you can do
Erase your boards.
What would you do with that much money?
Okay, I need our voices quiet. We're going to try something a little different. Are you ready?
Yeah, I Captain.
All right, here we go. Markers ready? This time, let's try some bigger numbers. So we know 7 times 9. Someone raise your hand and tell me that answer. Josiah?
Actually I forget.
You forget? Bounce it on.
63.
63. All right, and again, if you don't know your math facts, it's about to start really making math difficult for you. So please study, study, study. All right, I'm going to let one of you tell me, what can we turn our 7 into? We can only have zeros. How big do you want it? Cadence?
700.
700, all right. Times, all right, someone else, my 9. What are we doing to my 9? Noah?
9 million.
Let's do that one next, a little smaller.
9,000.
9,000. Okay, 700 times 9,000. What's my first step? Hayden?
Work all your zero.
Cover up our zeros.
9,000.
We have 9 times 7. Hayden?
So I think it's gonna be like 63.
We'll just start with the 9 times 7.
63.
63. Now sometimes I will actually underline my zeros as I count to make sure I don't forget. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. And remember for commas, you just start all the way in the ones and count over 3, comma. Count over 3, comma. So 700 times 9,000 is 6,300,000. Big number.
Okay.
All right. I am going to write 3 problems on the board, and I want you to solve all 3 of them on your own.
What if you don't know the answer then?
Okay, we are talking out a lot. I'm sure our friends at home are pretty annoyed listening to all the chatter, because I am. Okay. I will put 3 problems on the board. Solve all 3 of them. All right. Let's do... Okay, so we're doing 12s.
I don't know, but... Are we allowed to use our math mini?
Skip counting if you need to. All right, I'm going to let you try it for about a minute. This one's a little bit different because we have a double-digit number here. Follow the same steps. And then I'll go over it with you. I want to see everyone working. Even if you're not quite sure, try it and do your best. Those of you at home, go ahead, keep trying with me. If you got that finished, just wait one moment while we're finishing here. Write that first, and then count. All right, I'm seeing lots of good answers. So let's go over what we got. First of all, what is 12 times 3? We should know this. Madeline?
36.
36. All right. So what was different about this problem than the ones we did before? What was different about it? Chloe?
It's a 2-digit number.
Yeah, we have a 2. Oh, I erased part of it. We have a 2-digit number instead of just 1. So am I allowed to cover up any digits other than zeros? No. So this time I just kept my 12, kept my 3. We know 12 times 3 is 36. And we have 1, 2 zeros. And that is what I saw most of you got, so awesome job. What about the second one? What do I do first? Quentin, what do I do first on this one?
First thing that you're going to do on the third, technically it's the third one, but
True.
on the third one you're going to want to cover up all of your zeros, which is 4 zeros. So you're going to cover up your zeros, and then you're going to want to take your 1, and then you're going to want to take your 2, and then you're going to take the 36.
Okay, so I multiplied that and got 36.
Now what you're going to do is you're going to add all of your zeros.
1, 2, 3, 4 of them.
But now you're going to have 3 commas. So,
Is that what you got?
1 comma.
All right. Nice job. We get the hang of it?
Yep.
All right, let's try one more. All right, this time, let's work on our 11s. 11 times 8. So first write that fact down, write your answer. We should all know our 11s. Remember, 11s, you just double this digit up. So we get an 88. All right. Now, let's see. Angie, how many zeros would you like to add to the 11?
11,000.
All right, we'll do 11,000, copy it down, times, Josiah, how many zeros should we add to our 8?
8,000.
8,000, all right. Equals. Okay, first step, cover all the zeros. So I have 3 in both numbers. So I have 11 times 8, which we know is 88. And then I have to count my zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good number.
And then go every 3 comma, every 3 comma. Our answer is 88 million. Pretty big number, huh?
Well, that.
All right. Does anyone have a specific question over something you're not understanding?
Is this it?
If that's what we got up there. All right, looking good. I'm going to do 3 more now, and that'll be kind of the last example we work on together. This one will be a lot different. Copy the problems down, leave some space so you can do all 3 on your whiteboard.
Oh, Mrs. Hair.
Oh, Mrs.
There's your first one.
We're gonna do what? Is that number 100, 1,000?
All right, work them all out quietly.
What's that number right there? The one that's over the-
This?
Yeah.
1,100. I will give you a 30-second head start, and then I am going to start working mine out. So when you're finished, you can check your work with mine. Those of you at home, I hope you're working them out with us. All right, if you're not ready for checking your work, don't look up here yet, but I am going to get going a little bit. you are ready to check your work, my answers are up. You can check your work with mine. Those of you at home, I hope that you got the right answers. If not, we're going to keep working on this on IXL. So your IXL practice today will do the same stuff we just did. All right, we'll see you later.
Bye.